want to say that the day that Jessica rolled into Cody's life was Cody's best day of his life, because it changed everything for him.
You are the perfect complement to our family. You are the sister I prayed for when I was 2.5. We can geek out over eyeshadow palettes and Christmas ornaments and just have so much fun, and I enjoy every moment with you. You are the bridge between my brother and I and the differences in our personalities, and you have made my brother and I closer, and believe me, I appreciate that. You appreciate Cody for everything that he is while still inspiring him to grow. And the two of you together encourage and love each other in a way that is so beautiful. I'm so excited to see where the future takes you, and I'm so happy that I get to be such a close part of it. I know the next chapter of your life is going to be amazing, and I love you both very much.
I love you with every inch of my soul. My life was in kind of a limbo before we met, and you helped me set a goal. It's crazy that we knew each other for so long and didn't realize that we're the perfect couple just waiting to happen. Without your love and support, I don't know where I would be today, and I'm thankful every hour I get to spend with you.
People say that when you meet the one you know, but I, for one, had no idea. At first, being a couple felt crazy and foreign. I think that everyone that knew us was really surprised. But as time went on, we became a package deal. Now you're my whole life.
I can't believe I get to become your wife today. So many tears, so much growth, so much hard work, and now here we are. I'm so proud of you and of us. You're the perfect team. You are the yin to my yang, the Ron to my Hermione. Can't wait to spend the rest of my life loving you and learning with you and adventuring with you. We've come so far, and I know that together we will achieve anything we set our minds to. I love you endlessly and can't wait to marry you today in front of our favorite people. Thank you for being my person. Love, your wife.